Hi book friends! Today I'll be reading Oscar's first book of manners. It's a Sesame Street book. Do you practice your good manners every day? I hope you do. Okay, well let's see how Oscar does. Here we go. Oscar has been learning about manners. Let's see how well he does. Oscar, you are in your grungy submarine and you see a diver ahead. What do you say? Scram. No. Excuse me, please. That's right, Oscar. You don't say scram. You say, excuse me, please. Yeah, but I'm coming through. And there goes the submarine. Wow, it's so cool. It's a garbage can. And there's some wheels there as propellers. Yes. Oh, and there goes his friend the worm, safe in a jar because they're underwater. And there goes Oscar saying, excuse me, please, to Grover, having a good time with his friend the fish. But Oscar is coming through. Good job, Oscar. You say, excuse me, please. Oscar, you are offered a cookie, but you are already full from eating 2 sardine sandwiches. What do you say? Nope. Oops, no thank you. That's right, Oscar. You say, no thank you. You don't say nope. No. No thank you is the right thing to say because Oscar has had 2 sardine sandwiches, not 1, but 2. Yeah, so he's full. Oh, Oscar, you have an odd taste there. Sardine sandwiches, would you eat a sardine sandwich? I don't know if I would. And there they all go. They're at the beach with Cookie Monster offering the cookies, of course. And Ernie and Bert, and they're having a good time. Ooh, and there's coconut trees. There are palm trees. Wow, it looks like a beautiful day. And Oscar, you said the right thing. No, thank you. Oscar, while out on a trail, you have a short chat with a fellow hiker. What do you say as he goes on his way? Hey, have a rotten rats. Have a nice day. That's right, Oscar. You're learning. Have a nice day. Not a rotten day. No. And there goes Big Bird. Big Bird was a fellow hiker having a chat with Oscar. And Big Bird is on his way to the trail. And there goes Oscar in his can, of course, with his walking stick. And there was a worm wiggling its way down the trail. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Wow. Do you take little hikes? I love taking hikes. I used to do it a lot. I love hiking and breathing in the fresh air. If you haven't, you should give it a try. With a grown-up, of course. Good job, Oscar. You say, have a nice day. Yes. You are taking Stinky to the garden show, and your terrible taxi driving makes Stinky bump around. What do you say, Oscar? So what? No. So sorry. That's right, Oscar. So sorry for the bumpy ride. And check that taxi out. It is falling apart, isn't it? Oh, goodness. It's all crashed up. Look at that. It's all dented. Oh, but there goes Oscar driving with the worm, of course. That's his best friend. And there goes Stinky. Yes, going to the garden show. Oh, I love garden shows with all the plants and beautiful flowers. Ooh, Stinky's gonna have fun. And yes, Oscar, you say, so sorry for the bumpy ride. Not so what? No, that's not polite. You say, So sorry, Stinky. We'll get there soon. So sorry. Okay. Oscar, you have just sold 3 glasses of your sourest lemonade yet. Your customers say, thank you. What do you say? You're welcome. And here's some sugar. Very good, Oscar. Thanks. Now scram. Oh, Oscar. Oh, come on. You can't say that. You say, have a nice day, remember? And there goes Elmo. And who's that? Is that Zoe? Oh, and who's that? That's Abby Cadabby. Yes, so cute with their lemonade. And Oscar was nice enough to give them sugar because that lemonade was too sour. Oh, thank you, Oscar, for being so polite. Yes. Wow, and that's the end of Oscar's first book of manners. Yay! Wow, Oscar's learning a lot, isn't he? Yes, it's good to be nice, yes, and polite. That's right, it feels good to be kind to others. And guess what? When you're kind to others, others are kind to you too. Yes, good job, Oscar. Hope you like this book. Bye-bye, book friends.